Good afternoon, learners. This is Mr. Kolawale, your civic education teacher. The topic before us this afternoon is national consciousness, integrity, and unity. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to explain the meaning of national consciousness, integrity, and unity. They should be able to identify the importance of these values to national development. Learners should be able to discuss ways to promote them in schools and in our society. Learners should be able to demonstrate personal commitment to integrity and unity. By the way of introduction, every nation grows stronger when its citizens share common values. National consciousness, integrity, and unity are key to peace and development in every nation. These values promote cooperation, patriotism, and honesty in all nations of the earth. Meaning of national consciousness. Number one, awareness and pride in our nations, understanding our country's culture, history, and goals, willingness to contribute to the national progress. Example, like flying the colors of our country, our pride in our languages, understanding the basic things about our culture. Importance of national consciousness. Number one, it promotes patriotism and love for our country. Number two, it encourages unity among citizens. It inspires people to serve their nation faithfully, like us. Number four, it reduces selfishness and corruption. Now, let's talk about integrity, which is part of the topic before us. Integrity. What is integrity? Integrity means being honest, trustworthy, and doing the right thing always. Anyone called a man or woman of integrity keeps promises and upholds moral values accepted anywhere in the world. What are the importance of integrity? Why do we need integrity in our society? Number one, it builds trust and respect. Number two, it promotes transparency in leadership. Number three, integrity helps in national development. And number four, integrity prevents corruption and dishonesty. Now, let's talk about the third subject in our topic today, national unity. What is national unity? National unity means a sense of oneness among citizens of a nation. We mean, despite differences in our tribes, religion, and languages, more than 250 ethnic groups, everyone works together for progress. So that is what we refer to as national unity. Now, importance of national unity. Number one, it promotes peace and security. Number two, it encourages cooperation and development in our society. Number three, it strengthens national identity. And the last point before us on the importance is it reduces ethnic or religious conflicts. Now, what are the ways to promote national consciousness, integrity, and unity? Number one point, obey laws and respect national symbol. Let's respect our symbols like national anthem, national pledge, and national flag. Number two, say no to corruption and tribalism. It's very important. We should not be tribalistic in our ways, and we should shun corruption. Number three, we should participate in community service. Our community is very important, and that is why our communities are ourselves. So number four, respect cultural and religious diversity. We all should respect our cultural differences and our religious diversities. Number five, the last point, we should support leaders that shows integrity. Men of integrity that are leaders, we should support them. In conclusion, on national consciousness, integrity, and unity, we already know and we can see from the beginning that when we have been discussing about this topic that national consciousness, integrity, and unity, they are very, very important. They are pillars of our nation building. So we need them and we need to act on them to have that mindset, and that will foster a lot of development and growth for our nation. So every citizens, especially young people, has roles to play to make sure we move our country together, our country forward through national consciousness, integrity, and unity. So together we can build a nation we are proud of. Assignment for all learners. Number one, write a short essay on how I can promote national unity in my school. Number two, mention three ways integrity can help Nigeria develop. Thank you very much for listening and see you in our next class.